How to find your old comments on Facebook PC. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can find the old comments in our Facebook in PC. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video and look out on how to do that. So you can directly go to your Facebook and go to your profile at the top right corner and head over and open up your settings from your settings and privacy. After you open up your settings, you'll be finding this interface on your screen. So once you do that, in this left side of your screen, you just need to scroll down a bit until you're able to find this option called Activity Log. Go ahead and open it up and you'll be finding this on your screen. So scroll down and head over to Comments and open up your comments history from here. So once you are here, you'll be finding all of your history, including your old ones. But if you want to set up a timeline, like to make it easier, you can find this option called Filter, under which you'll be finding date. So you can use up the year, your preferred year. For now, I have just opened this account, so I only get 2 options. But if your account is old, you can find the different year options. You can go ahead and select those years. And after that, click on Apply, and you can also search for the people. After that, search, and you'll be finding all of the history right here. So that is how you check your old history comments in your Facebook as well. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.